With just one AI prompt, I built a Twitter clone, then a WhatsApp-style chat app with real-time messaging and story share. After that, I even made a Notion-like productivity tool to organize my tasks instantly. And trust me, that's just the start. With this same AI, I could clone Spotify, create a mini Netflix, design stunning landing pages, or even launch my own personal portfolio site. All of this in just minutes, without writing a single line of code. Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me show you exactly how it works. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and follow us on our other socials so you don't miss more insane AI tutorials. All right, let's go. So today, the AI app builder I'm going to use is called Emergent. You'll find the link down below in the description. Just head over, sign up for free, and you can start testing this tool right away. Okay, so here's the dashboard, and as you can see, it's super simple and minimalistic. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find a bunch of apps, landing pages, and tools that the community has already built. Let me show you some examples to give you a better idea. Here's one called AI Deep Agent Tool. Looks really powerful. Then there's a productivity app called Taskmaster, which honestly looks super cool. And what's even better is that people have already been using it to complete tasks. That's impressive. Next up, check this out. It's a habit tracker. This tool helps you build better habits and literally transform your life. You can create new habits, track your progress, and even see detailed analytics. Amazing, right? And look at this. There's also a financial tool here. It looks so professional, almost as if a top-level designer created it. The design, the animations, the button effects, even the text animations. Everything looks really cool and polished. And then there's this digital marketing website. Honestly, this one blew me away. The animations are so smooth, the color combinations are on point, and overall, it just looks mind-blowing. All right, so these were just some of the demo projects I wanted to show you. Now it's time to actually roll up our sleeves and try building something ourselves. So here I am back at the main dashboard. Now here, you just have to type in your idea, or let's just call it your prompt. But before we do that, let me quickly show you a few settings and features available here. For example, you can attach files and images, you can even connect your GitHub account, then you get to choose which model you want, and finally, you can also select the Claude version. Pretty cool, right? All right, so now let's go ahead and type in our idea. Oh, and by the way, you'll also find some pre-made prompts here, which you can try out if you want. But I'll just go ahead and try to build a clone of X, Twitter, from scratch. So let me type that in and hit enter. And look, it's starting to set up the environment. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes because it's initializing the cloud environment, provisioning resources, configuring everything, and then starting up the agent. And this agent, it literally works with you like a real human developer to help build your app. How cool is that? All right, so the environment is fully configured now and the actual app building process has started. You can see the agent saying, I'll help you create a pixel-perfect clone of X. From here, it begins analyzing the design and gathering information about X's interface and features. And the best part, you get to watch all of this happen live on your screen. Seriously, that's such a cool feature. Now, sometimes you might see a few errors pop up, but don't worry. Emergent AI is smart enough to automatically resolve those errors on its own. See, right here, there was one last error left. And boom, it's gone. And look at that. The app preview has opened up, and honestly, it looks exactly like Twitter. But wait, the work isn't fully done yet. The backend is still finishing up the build process, and now done. The X clone is fully built. Amazing! The agent even gives a confirmation saying they've successfully created a pixel-perfect clone of Twitter. Not only that, but it also explains exactly what's been built and assures that the app is now fully functional with all the key features. Okay, but let's say I want to make a small change, like replacing the logo. What I'll do, I type a clear prompt telling the agent to replace the logo. Then I'll simply attach my logo file right here and hit enter. Now, if for some reason the logo doesn't replace on the first try, don't panic. You can just type in another prompt like replace the logo with the attached one, and boom, the logo will update instantly. And now you can see the X logo has been successfully replaced with X Lite. Perfect. Let's test this out in a new tab. I'll try creating a new account. So I just click on create account, then I add my name, email, and password and hit sign up. Boom! As you can see, we've successfully signed up and the app is working smoothly. Honestly, it looks exactly like Twitter. The buttons are all functioning perfectly. The search tab is working and everything feels really solid. Now, yes, you can share this app with others, but for that, you'll first need to deploy it, which you can do with just a single click. Without deployment, you can't really expect much functionality beyond your own testing. Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead and build another app. This time, we'll try making a productivity tool similar to Notion. So I type in my prompt and hit enter. Once again, the environment starts setting up and the agent even says, I'm building something incredible. Let's see what that incredible thing actually is. All right, so the tool has been built. Let's sign in and check it out. But here's the thing. I want a proper sign up option where I can enter my name, email, and password to create an account. So I tell the agent, I'm not able to sign in. Can we continue with email? And hit enter. And now look, the agent has actually created an alternate sign-up option for me. So now, along with Google Sign-In, we also have an email sign-up option. I'll open it in a new tab, click on sign up, enter my email, full name and password, and hit create account. Done! You can see we've successfully signed up here. And look, our very own productivity tool is ready. From here, you can do anything productive, just like in Notion. You can create a new page, organize your tasks, or basically do whatever you want. All right, that's amazing. Now, just like this, let's try creating a WhatsApp clone. I simply type in the prompt and hit enter. Once the environment finishes setting up, the agent asks me a few important questions. Things like real-time features and integration, user authentication, image sharing, stories, and development priorities. I gave the agent my preferences and hit enter again. After that, the agent asked me for some input regarding phone verification. I simply typed continue, and boom, look at that. The WhatsApp clone has been built. Let's test it out and see if it actually works. So I type my number, then my full name, and wow, the verification code instantly arrived. Nice! Just click on verify, and boom, Veer logged in. Our WhatsApp Lite app is ready, and I can actually start chatting inside it. How cool is that? And remember, any new feature you want, just tell the AI agent and it will set it up for you. All right, in the same way, I also built an agency portfolio website, and just look at how beautiful it looks. But initially, it didn't have animations. So I gave the agent a simple prompt, add smooth animations. And just like that, the entire website came alive with professional animations. Even when I hover my mouse over elements, subtle effects pop up, making it look super clean and modern. Honestly, it feels like a premium agency site built by a pro developer. Now here's the important part. Once your app or website is ready in Emergent, the final step is deployment. That's how your app actually goes live on the internet. Before deploying, you can test everything in the live preview, making sure all buttons, animations, and features are working fine. Then, with just one click on the start deployment button, your app begins publishing. But remember, each deployment costs 50 credits per month. From there, Emergent's AI agents handle all the heavy lifting, setting up servers, hosting, and infrastructure automatically. And within just a few minutes, you'll receive a live public link to share with anyone. You can even connect your custom domain if you want. In short, deployment is how you take your AI-built app from a private test version to a real product the world can use. Now, let's talk about pricing. Honestly, looking at these features and the speed at which apps are built, I think it's super affordable. You can start for just $20 per month. That's crazy value compared to the time and money traditional development takes. So imagine this. You can build your own site, your agency's portfolio, or even a client's website with Emergent AI. And yes, you can charge a good amount for it as a service. Think about it. How long would Emergent take to build a portfolio site for you? Maybe 1 to 2 hours, max 1 day? Even that is worth it when you see the final result. So definitely give this tool a try. It's honestly amazing. Plus, you can always take inspiration from the Emergent community, see what others are building, and create your own apps and websites. And if this video helped you even a little bit, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future content.